In this tutorial, I will show you how to make videos with sound effects and animations in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Video to start a new video project. After the video editor opens, upload your video by going to the Uploads panel on the left side and selecting the video file from your device. Once it is uploaded, drag the video onto the canvas so it appears in the timeline. Next, you can add graphics or elements to make your video more engaging. Go to the Elements panel and search for icons, shapes, or illustrations that match your video content. Click on an element to add it to the canvas and place it where you want it to appear in the video. To animate the element, click on it and then select the Animate option from the top toolbar. Canva will show different animation styles such as fade, pop, or slide. Choose the animation that fits your video style. You can also animate text by adding a text box and selecting the Animate option in the same way. This allows titles and captions to move or appear smoothly in the video. Now to add sound effects, go to the Audio section on the left side of the editor. Use the search bar to find sound effects such as whoosh, click, or applause. Drag the sound effect onto the timeline and place it at the point where you want the sound to play. Adjust the position of the audio clip so it matches the timing of your animation or video scene. Finally, play the video preview to make sure the animations and sound effects work well together. When everything looks good, click the Share button at the top right and select Download. Choose MP4 as the file format and download your finished video. That is how you make videos with sound effects and animations in Canva.